Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Limestone University's online library resources. In this video, I will briefly walk you through how to begin a search using the library's OneSearch system. The first thing that you need to do, if you haven't already, is navigate to this page, which is the library's homepage. To get there, go to limestone.edu, select Academics and Support, and then Library. Once you are on the library's homepage, there are several links that will take you to the various library resources. But right here in the middle is the library's OneSearch feature, which shows you how to access ebooks, books, journal articles, films, DVDs, and more. This is the place to access the various articles and books that the library has from one location. The individual A to Z databases are located at the bottom of the page. I will examine that in a later video. To begin a search, all you need to do is to type in one or more keywords into the search bar and press search. Then a new window will open up, which is what's supposed to happen. This is the inside of the library's OneSearch system. The first thing to do after you open up OneSearch is to log in with your username and password. Do not include @limestone.edu as a part of your username. From here, you can look through the various options that you see. Everything is selected by default, although you can add an advanced search. Over here to the right side, notice how it opens up. Over on the left side, you have the various search limiters, things like limiting availability, limiting to resource type, whether it be a newspaper article or an article or a peer-reviewed journal, limiting by date down below. Please examine the later videos for information about how to limit your search down to individual search types, and also for information for how to choose better keywords and for using search features like Boolean operators.